Jason.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Say something to her. Holla at her.
I got one question. How'd you fit all that in them jeans? You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Cadillac, pop that trunk. Let's take a shot, alley-oop that don't ride up, working at 9 to 5. Well, baby, let me come and change your life. Hot damn it, your booty like 2 planets. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Whoa, I can't stand it, 'cause you know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.